Your Wi-Fi shows connected, but apps are not loading. You open YouTube or Netflix and it just keeps spinning. No error, no playback, just waiting. This issue is very common and you can fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. This is the most basic but powerful fix. Solution. Turn off your TV, unplug it from power, wait 60 seconds. Now restart your router. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back. Turn on your TV again. Step 2. Test internet connection properly. Connected does not always mean working. Solution. Go to settings, then go to network, then select network status. Run the connection test. If it fails, reconnect Wi-Fi again or switch to Ethernet cable for stable connection. Step 3. Change DNS settings. This is a proven fix for many users. Solution. Go to settings, then go to network, then select advanced settings. Select DNS settings. Choose manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Save and restart your TV. This improves app loading and server connection. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect time blocks app servers. Solution. Go to settings, then go to system, then select date and time. Turn on automatic date and time. Restart your TV after this. Step 5. Update system software. Outdated firmware can break app connectivity. Solution. Go to settings, then go to support, then select software update. Check for updates and install latest version. Step 6. Clear app cache or reinstall apps. Corrupted app data is a common cause. Solution. Go to settings, then go to apps, then select the app. Select clear cache. If still not working, delete the app, restart TV, install it again. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy settings. VPN can block streaming servers. Solution. Go to settings, then go to network, then select advanced settings. Turn off VPN or proxy. Reset DNS to automatic if needed. Step 8. Check router restrictions. Sometimes router blocks streaming traffic. Solution. Log into your router settings. Disable parental control or firewall restrictions. Enable UPnP if available. Keep settings simple and default. Step 9. Factory reset is last option. Use this only if all steps fail. Solution. Go to settings, then go to system, then select reset. Confirm and wait. This clears all system errors. If your apps are still not loading, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps and your smart TV apps will load fast and work perfectly again with confidence.